Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Our today's topic is about circulatory system. Blood flows through tubes to get to the different parts of our body. These tubes are called blood vessels. There are two types of blood vessels, that is an artery and a vein. Artery is the blood vessel that carries blood away from the heart, and vein is the blood vessel that carries blood back to the heart. The heart pumps blood to the lungs through the arteries, and the blood picks up oxygen from the lungs. The blood rich in oxygen flows into the heart through the veins and is pumped to all parts of the body through the arteries. The arteries are divided into smaller tubes and end in tiny blood vessels which are called capillaries. The capillaries connected the arteries and veins. The blood in the capillaries passes the oxygen to pick up carbon dioxide from the cells. A cell is the basic unit that makes up all living things. After passing capillaries, blood flows through the veins. The blood in the veins have little oxygen. It enters heart and goes to the lungs. Again to pass carbon dioxide to and picks up oxygen from the lungs. A network of organs such as the heart, blood and blood vessels that transport oxygen and nutrients to and carbon dioxide from the cells is called a circulatory system. It is the artery, blood from the heart goes into artery. The artery is divided into smaller tubes and in tiny blood vessels which are called capillaries. The capillaries connected the arteries and veins. How the heart works. The heart receives oxygen deficient blood, that is deoxygenated blood, from the body into the right upper atrium. It is right atrium where heart receives deoxygenated blood from the body. When the heart contracts, the right lower ventricle will pump the blood into the lungs where the carbon dioxide is exchanged for oxygen. Right atrium sends blood to right ventricle, and when heart contracts, the blood from right ventricle goes into lungs with the help of pulmonary artery. In the lungs, exchange of gases takes place, and after the exchange, the blood containing fresh oxygen flows into the left upper atrium. This blood is called Oxygenated blood. From the lungs, the blood goes into left atrium with the help of pulmonary vein. Oxygen-rich blood, that is oxygenated blood, flows from the left upper atrium into the left lower ventricle. That is the left lower ventricle. When the heart contracts, the left lower ventricle will force the blood out to the body through a network of arteries. Left ventricle throws the blood out into the body through arteries. Now, quote of the day. Hurting someone can be as easy as throwing a stone in the sea. But do you have any idea how deep that stone can go? Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.